data. So organization DG diesel generator. So I will do one thing. I will create one notification. So let's see /n IW21. I don't know right now some configuration is available or we need to create, but let's see, because it's a sandbox. So let's hope everything. So IW21 is the notification creation paste for catalog file my equipment. Okay, enter. Okay, so here on item level, object part, damage, text, cause, and cause text. So see, if this, I will just save it initially. The notification number will be generated in the background. So see, this DG has got failure. So our maintenance team has go for repair the diesel generator, and they have found some observation. So how they will update that observation in the notification? So I will show you. So have you seen any notification or work order in your company?
Right now, not.
Okay, okay. So it's a sandbox. So it will take so much time, but real time, it will be like a millisecond. It's first time running. So do you have any friend who is creating the notification or work order?
Yes, yes, yes. We have a
Great.
common resource who is handling the SAP for our team.
So you need to go, you need to sit with them and just see how they are updating the data.
Okay.
So like see, interaction with end user is most important for consultants. So they will come to you and they will inform that they are facing the problem in the system. So until and unless you know how they are performing their activity, you cannot troubleshoot. That's why IT industries or industries are asking for domain knowledge. So a domain person will have great understanding how the things are going on. If you asking non-technical person, what is this engine or bearing, how it's held, so no one can understand this. That's why plant maintenance domain knowledge is most important. Basically, this data we can get from maintenance manual of the machine,
Yes, yes.
but we need to update in the system. We or some master data team. Basically, some teams are working, some consultant are working only for updation of the master data. Okay, so notification is created. /n IW22. Okay. Okay. So you go and see what happens to the DG set, and you will update your findings. You will go to their object part. You will find engine. Okay. Issue with the engine. So what is the damage? Okay. Engine gasket or oil seal. Yeah, anything. I say oil seal. Okay, text. So here you will find the text means it's a free text. What happens? System will provide you. So you want to update anything. Okay, I will see. What is the cause? Oh, temperature, oil level low. Okay. So it oil seal got damaged. Okay. So here you can update the what I can say. Here you will see oil seal is damaged due to temperature is high. You will see top of the oil like this. You can add that activities, right? If you want, you can create the new atoms also, and you can add not only engine. There was a turbo also or diesel pump also failing. See what is the cause of that failure. So you will see that O-ring or gasket of that pump has damaged. So you can mention here gasket now gasket need to be replaced. What is the cause? Why this happens? So pressure was high, like this. So all that things you can mention here. No need to type. See, this has got auto populated, and once you save, I will go /NIW23. See, you will get this data, right?
One more thing, sir, like notification is having some location data, reference object,
Yes,
all these are edit development.
correct. So we have some sessions. So how I will show you how these fields got updated. That is the consultant customization task, configuration activity. So whenever any business new implementation of the project, so business will come to you and they will show, they will inform, we want that fits there. So we need to populate that fits. Just in the background, yes, PRO, there are some transaction, some T codes to configure all that things. So see, business don't want this setup. They want something else. So we can configure. Same as I think I have shown you
Yes, yes,
equipment
yes.
level.
For
Yeah.
equipment level, you have shown. Yeah.
Correct. So work order, notification, same. I will show you how that fields come. What is the mandatory? If you want to update this field is mandatory. Then same. In set screen, if you update this a highlight or mandatory, without updating this, system will not allow to create notification. But I will again suggest